No, yesterday we went straight into IRL. We didn't do the swap.
Oh, true. Do you think it's the swap that would...
The swap failed in some ways, but oh, it should be fine now. It says ingest, so I think it swapped it over officially. I wish I could tell. Okay, oh, it is working. Okay, we're back, and we came back, and all right, we're good. Okay. Okay, it worked. Let's go. All right, everybody, we're back, and we are on our way to the weeb capital of the planet with, some people who are real weebs. Like, oh, dude,
Wait,
you just...
Can you redo it? Can you redo it?
You want me to redo it?
Yeah, for the vlog.
Oh, he's vlogging it. Okay. All right, everybody, we're back. We are on our way to the weeb capital of the planet. I'm going to say it wrong. Akihabara. Akihabara. We are on our way to Akihabara. We watched a Abroad in Japan video, 10 things to do in Akihabara, but we actually watched it, halfway through, and then decided we're in fucking Japan. Why are we watching YouTube videos about what to do in Japan when we could just be doing it ourselves? And of course, because we have a bunch of public transit simps in here in the chat and also just in the group, we have decided to take the train to Akihabara instead of taking a taxi there. Meanwhile, one of the weebs who wanted us to take the train is still not here for some reason. Ray? We're waiting for you. Yeah, the stream is live downstairs. We're just sitting here waiting.
We're going to Akihabara.
Akihabara is... Akihabara!
I thought it was named after a capybara.
No.
Oh, Ray's here.
All right, Ray's here finally. Oh, there she is.
I was
just chilling, just big chilling upstairs. Oh, that's...
Oh my God, is this Sykkuno's vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... Oh, I already turned it up.
Oh my.
Oh, wow.
We got a
Debated.
few seconds.
Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna obviously hit the BRB screen for a little bit as we walk around for a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera, maybe I'll just put the camera on my chest. It is cold already. All right, let's get started. I'm not gonna obviously reveal, no doxing here. We're just,
not?
Yeah, we're not doxing ourselves.
Why not? Why?
Welcome to my comfortable chest, my bosom, my chest. It's titty stream. I'm a titty streamer.
For free?
I'm giving him the titty only. And only the titty. God damn, I fucking love the streets. I swear to God, every single time I walk outside.
It really is the cleanest smelling air ever.
Every time I walk outside, when I walk out on the side streets, I'm like, I'm in an anime. I know that's like fucked up to say or whatever, but like it just makes me feel like that. Which makes it what? I don't know. People are gonna be like, oh, what do you mean? You're so orientalizing. Like
that woman was just minding her business, walking on the left side of the road like you're supposed to, and 4 Americans just fucking strong-armed her to the other side.
Yeah, well, sometimes you gotta show your strength, brother. All right. Is there a better way to get there?
No, we should go to the station and just send it.
Okay. What's the takeaway on waving at Japanese people, like random Japanese strangers? Is that like a no-no? Chad, is that a no-no?
I know, you hate me.
I don't know why we're acting like Chad knows what the fuck's going on when they are just clueless and the only thing they know about Japan is through animes themselves,
Well, there are trash cans in every family mart. In every...
Vending machines also have like a... Oh my God, these cabs are my favorite. Look, kids, these cabs are my fucking favorite. They're so sick. They look old school as hell. You guys can't see yet. I'll show you when we get to the main street. Yeah. Aw, little kids coming out of school.
Their hats are so...
Everybody, all the little kids, all the little school children wear the same hats. And it's the cutest fucking thing. It's like orange and it gives you ear protection. Oh shit! I forgot a mask. I think.
You forgot your mask?
Yes.
You should buy one real quick.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Everything is fucking. Everything is so kawaii. You know.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice though.
Okay, I'm showing stuff. I think it's fine. Okay.
Just do it.
Everything is so kawaii. I mean, straight up. Yeah. It makes me feel very sugoi. Yeah.
Hawaii is nice and it's a Star flight. Yeah.
I don't know how blown out or how. I mean, I guess the lighting is good right now. We can.
The auto ISO, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Okay, we can actually walk into one of these stores to grab a mask real quick.
Yeah, go for it.
Should we go in here?
This is a grocery store.
Let's not go there.
Like, I was probably gonna
Look at the bike lane and then the people walking lane up here. It's awesome. I don't know if I'm going the right way.
Oh.
I think so, right? I mean, I think so, but
Here, go left. Sunny day.
damn, I just.
Spoke English to us.
That's so sick. That's so sick. I'm basically Japanese now. I'm basically Japanese. Like a Japanese salaryman said "sunny day" and acknowledged me.
That he knew that the opposite.
No, he knew that.
Like that.
I know.
Yeah, I wonder why he assumed we were all American.
I'm
We have a
racially
camera.
ambiguous
Enough,
on,
aren't I?
and all the cameras definitely the cameras.
Yeah, the camera. Yeah, it's adorable. It looks like a little, like,
Got it
mouse.
specifically because I wanted a cute.
It is very cute looking.
Oh, a head.
Just look here.
I know, right?
Suma Mason
Connor sent me a list of just a ton of stuff we can do.
in Akihabara.
Yeah.
Akihabara. What the fuck? Why didn't he send it to me?
Well, I invited him again today.
Dead to me, Connor. Yeah, no, he's doing his pod today.
I think you can stream the art.
He's doing his pod today. Also, he's dead to me for not sending me the suggestions.
Oh, I guess they're their own thing.
Remember that. Never trust the Welsh. That's the takeaway from this, honestly.
And Connor said like you can stream, but like.
Akihabara.
Wait, tell them.
Akihabara,
You can do it like
comrade.
I could get permission probably
you can ask, but
Akihabara.
somewhere. It's not
Aki Hairborough, brother.
Akihabara.
Just go until we get kids. Yeah, 'cause
Okay, there's a bunch of stuff to do out there. We got the claw games. All right, it's green. We got the claw games out there that we are going to be playing. There's obviously the electronic shops that we're going to go to, you know, as abroad in Japan explored and talked about. Akihabara was one of the most important black markets for electronics equipment in Japan. Yes, please. Let's do it. Very nice. All right.
I'm so excited.
Want a pink one?
Massa right here.
Wait, these ones are cuter.
Cuter?
Apricot.
Okay. All right, get the aesthetic one, I guess.
Or gray. Probably gray.
I don't
This will match
care.
your fit better.
Okay, thank you. You know better than I do.
Where do you
Oh, this place is a pharmacy too. I don't think that's. Ooh, drugs. We can get drugs here. Ow.
Do you need any of this?
No.
Your backpack?
No, it's fine. I think I'll be alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This guy is so cool. No one's looked so cool selling back supplements for a bed. It's the only time I hit my head. Our first checkpoint right now is to get masks, specifically so that we can do the public transit without offending people and also spreading germs. Kado. Did it not work? Checkpoint. Checkpoint accomplished. Arigato.
Wow, that was so cool of you.
Whoa. Okay. I've noticed. Wait, where are they? What the fuck? Did they leave us?
No.
They left us.
Maybe they went inside.
No, they left us. They're gone.
What?
They left
You
us.
guys left
Just kidding. They didn't leave us. That was a debate. I debated you.
That's crazy. They left us.
It's messed up, man. Did you like that? The way I just dropped that. Arigato.
Yeah, it was so impressive.
Thank you. I'm
I didn't know you were Japanese.
kind of a local. It's whatever. This is bring Ray with you on the sidewalk sign.
Are you serious?
Look at yeah.
What's up? Sorry, bro.
What's up? Uh-huh.
Aw.
What's up? You want to take a photo?
No, I fine.
Okay. All right. Have a good one. Yeah, look at this.
Actually, the height of Ray.
Look at the silhouette here.
Are you serious?
Show this.
I can't tell if I'm
No,
showing it correctly.
Oh,
I'm definitely taller than you.
yeah. Okay.
Is she slightly below the shoulder? Oh, she's a little taller. Yeah.
I'm taller and I do not need adult supervision.
Okay.
We just talked to this one.
What?
Okay.
Oh wow, we're doubling up on the camera. We're doubling up on the content. Look at that.
I had a Red Bull for breakfast.
That's always good.
No, I did. Oh yeah.
It's a healthy breakfast. What do you mean?
Well, I feel like I'm beating the jet lag finally.
Same. I feel.
Yeah, you seem way more energetic than
Yeah.
I feel more lively.
my way of beating the jet lag is just acting like, you know, it's fine and you can just wake up at 4 a.m. and you know, just start streaming. Yeah. Yeah, it's very effective. And also, guzzling coffee.
Yeah. Very randomly
Right.
and for no reason whatsoever.
We're back on the main streets of Tokyo. One of the wealthiest neighborhoods here. That's right, you can tell it's one of the wealthier neighborhoods by the fact that there are cars everywhere. Not just on the streets, on the roads, but instead outside of apartment complexes. One of the many bountiful wonders of Japan is its beautiful public transportation. Another thing I've seen in Japan that I find to be unique is, of course, the free bikes that are everywhere.
Because I said yes.
That's right.
How did we get here?
A free bike. Right there. Many of them are left for other people to take for free. It seems like there is lawlessness and no laws whatsoever. Nippon desu, I say, as I bike away in someone else's free bike. Isn't that crazy? They just like leave bikes out unlocked.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
I find that very odd.
I think they care about morals here.
I don't think it's morality that like stops people from stealing bikes. I think like it's just one of those things where people are just like, everybody's got a bike. People's material conditions are met. They don't feel the need to steal bikes.
Oh yeah, that sounds right. Why
You
steal
know.
a bike if you don't need to?
Yeah. All right. And we are here.
You won't lose service Sunday?
No. Good question. Will I lose service down at the metro station? A silly question asked by an American foreigner, but we here know the truth that Japan's public infrastructure is simply goated, which means that you get 10K bitrate while you're down hundreds of it seems like things just simply work.
You want to take the Oedo line?
What? Toe Oedo.
Is that the one that just goes straight to it? No. There's supposed to be one that goes straight to it. It's probably somewhere in. Oh, really? Maybe then. There.
From here, no. This is like famously the area that we're in is same.
We want to take this 12 stops and then walk for 10 more minutes. Oh. Oh, is that?
Wait, is it effing? Right now. It is effing. What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? We did this yesterday and it was not effing. Bro, if it's effing the whole way, we should take a cab.
Yeah, let's take the cab.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh no. Wait, what? We did this yesterday with nothing, with no interruptions. Do you have one of the Wi-Fi buddies on? You didn't connect it. Shit. We might need it. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like everything that could have. Fuck, man. It's gonna take a long ass time. Everything that could have gone wrong today is going wrong on the IRL stream. It's really fucking annoying.
Yeah, there's no way.
What?
Go to the interfaces and plug this in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. We got a Wi-Fi buddy chat. Don't worry.
It's called.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Come on. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you. Yeah, we're recording. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I will.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Oh, that was awesome. You can actually find clothes.
Okay, so okay,
Even Sakura Mobile, you just passed it.
I may have spoken too soon when I said we're no stream snipers in Japan. I think.
I know there's people coming up and handing things. Man.
Always freaks me out when
If you guys show up, can you come up a little bit slowly or gentler?
Yeah, I was like, I'm just glad I didn't get stabbed right now.
Yeah.
Not that I think it would happen.
Yeah, of course, surely.
Definitely a little concerned.
Surely.
I think it's.
Maybe be like, hey, I'm coming up.
There it is, disconnecting.
Yeah. Make it very clear.
Yeah.
Verifying. Nice. Very nice. We fucking got it. Let's take a look at how many fucking. What's the bit rate now, lads? 1,700. This is really bad. This is
Walk
like.
out. Let's walk out.
It's picking up. Okay. I did not even consider that this might happen because it did not happen yesterday. It said 2K. Are you sure that's the right?
No, we got a platform 1.
Okay.
Let's take a cab.
We can take that.
Let's go.
We can just do that.
We could do that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fine though. We're down here already and it's working. If you guys want, we can just simply. It's fine, Rachel. It's fine. We got 3K. 4K bit rate. Nice. Very fucking nice. Absolutely diabolical. What?
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, right here. Very nice.
Yeah.
I'll put a muzzle on, brother.
I'm gonna get one of these.
They muzzled me, brother. Them liberals in Nippon Desu. Put a muzzle on me. I don't like it. I hate it. COVID is fake.
Because it says to take that one.
Uh-huh.
It says platform 1. I don't know if that means that those big yellow numbers are the platforms.
It's the Oedo line via Daimon, Ryogoku. Enter via Nakanohashi exit. I have no fucking idea, man.
Me neither.
Fuck. Is there like an information desk? Isn't that an information desk? That was very good. That was very casual.
That worked.
He probably thought you were Japanese, I think.
He definitely did, yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
He looked at you and was like, yeah.
He's like, he's one of the good ones.
This guy's definitely not a Bakagaijin. Yeah, no Bakagaijins here.
Is the Wi-Fi buddy working? Oh, it is. You're caked up now.
Okay, very good. No, this area had 9K. We're gonna see what happens when we go down that direction again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do it by card, you have to do it Japanese. I did this yesterday. If you want to use your card,
For your card.
I don't have a card.
Oh. My bad.
hit a blank.
Now put the delay. Oh, here, I got you.
Oh no.
Do you have yen?
Not yet.
You try to put dollars into the Japanese machine?
Get this for the vlog.
Hasan.
Yeah, this is what she did. She put
It didn't
this
say,
American brain right here.
It didn't say. Okay,
She's
first
like-
of all, we've been using our debit cards here and it's been working fine. So I
really?
figured
You can use
it'd
your
be fine
debit
if we used.
I put in like 20 bucks. I put in
In
like
this.
20 bucks.
I used
don't
it.
have to do
You
But
used
you-
your debit card here.
Yeah, but you have to do
So,
it.
spend that much.
so it would be
But
okay
it doesn't.
if I
But you
used
can't put
that.
dollars in it. No, of course
No,
not.
but you'll
Of
use that.
course not.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously.
She's like,
Is
she's
it-
like, what do you mean? How dare?
You know,
How dare they don't use my dollars?
Okay, this has
The-
$50 on it.
Yay.
Woke culture's ruining Japan.
All right, I'm ready.
This is no longer Nippon Desu. I'll tell you that, brother.
Alright, we're going.
All right, we're going back this way. He's like, why machine don't take my dollary dues?
You know what I would say?
What?
Sumo Mason, brother.
Yeah, Simon Mason. Bro, they got vending machines with dumplings in them.
I wonder if those are any good.
There's no shot.
There's simply no way those can be good.
There's got to be like famous vending machines, right? There's this big of a vending machine culture. I doubt that there aren't famous vending
There's
machines.
that one spot that has like the weird vending machine. Just see if that's
Oh,
good. Did you
that's
go
right.
there?
Connor sent that to me. Yeah. I've been there before.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's fun. You should go. Is it not Cuba?
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Well, then we should
Oh,
really go.
let's go. We're gonna try out some weird vending machines in Akihabara. That's right, brother.
What happened to your accent?
What do you mean, Simon Mason?
What happened?
Arigato.
Japanese.
Arigato. Gizamasta.
Ray, what do you want to vlog?
I want to do the crane challenge for sure. So I give either you or Hasan $500. Yeah.
Yeah, she's caked up. It's not a big deal. YouTube contract.
We start a 30-minute timer. Whoever
Yeah.
can get them
Whoever
done.
gets the most.
So either of us gets one win,
Yeah.
then we win.
Yep.
Basically for the $500.
I'll shut it up.
Yeah, I could surely win one thing.
Okay. We're gonna do a crane challenge on Ray's channel, where she'll be giving us $500 each to spend on the cranes. But unfortunately that will not be on the stream because from what I understand, they're fine with streaming. I mean, they're not fine with filming it. They are fine with they're fine with filming it, they're not fine with streaming it. So we're not gonna be doing that on stream. All right, we're going down real low right now. Hopefully I don't lose. Still at fucking 6K bitrate. That's mental. We are down deep in the underground right now, in the crevices, in the fucking belly of the beast, and we got 6,000 bitrate going strong. Absolute fucking bananas. Absolute fucking mental. How? One must ask, how do the Japanese do it? Alright, going down another flight of stairs. Still at 9,000 bitrate. A marvel of technology and infrastructure spending, and a lack of, and a clear-cut government regulation working at the behest of the citizens, even in this otherwise capitalistic paradise, turning a capitalistic hellhole into a capitalistic paradise. Still at 9,000 bitrate as we crawl into the belly of the beast. What? God damn, I promoted it on stream too.
We're juiced.
Where the fuck? Alright. As always, I do the same thing every time, where I'm shocked and confused, as I have done it for the first time ever, even though I've done it so many fucking times over. I'm overcome with joy looking at the cleanliness of the subway platforms. Not a scent of piss, not even a whiff of fecal matter. It seems like this is public transit out of a different dimension. I hear the trains coming in. We might be late. These are, of course, trains that always run on time, which implies that we might be late, even though it says do not rush. We should probably rush. Oh no, and we missed it. What an unfortunate sight. Absolutely fucking cooked.
11:24, 5 minutes.
But yeah, it was here. In other circumstances, missing out on the train might be devastating. It might be costly. Okay, and the bitrate is dropping down here. That's fucking awesome. Oh no. Marche, can I keep the buddy on me? I don't know if it's working or not.
Keep her.
Fuck. This mask is way too small for my face. I can't breathe in it. I can't breathe, brother, with this muzzle on. It sounds like birds. You hear that?
Yeah.
Even down here, 7 stories into the ground, we still hear this smiling chirping of the birds. Another amenity provided by the Tokyo government. Birds are chirping, and the mood is no longer sour, even though the adventurers unfortunately could not make it to the train. But this is to be avoided. A very dangerous thing to do is try and catch the high-speed train by putting your hand inside the doors, allowing you to perish almost instantaneously. I mean, we have 1,500 bit rate down here, I think, which is probably fine. It's probably still... Can you check to see if it's effing?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that right now.
This is why I should not have listened to you guys and should have just done exactly what I wanted to do. No F, it's fine. But no, we gotta get on the subway, they said. We haven't seen the trains yet, they said. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh no, he's just behind.
Oh,
He's just hiding behind one of the pillars.
I was like, okay, go, he was kidnapped.
Yeah, it's been a journey.
Do you guys hear the noises, the birds?
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
I think maybe they play it for tranquility.
There are no birds, Hasan.
What?
So we're in a subway, there's
We're
no
in a
birds.
subway, there's no birds.
Hold on, let me get this for the phone.
I get. I might be going crazy because I certainly hear the birds. Yeah. It's just like low, so I was scared.
I think when there's not a lot of movement,
Yeah.
like they're leaving the
I was scared because it's 22 minutes into the top of the hour and I forgot to run the ad break.
Hasan, can you be smaller?
Because at the top of the hour, there's a 3-minute ad break. Now, of course, fear not. There is a way to avoid the top of the hour ad break. That is by subscribing. For $5 or for free, you too can avoid the top of the hour ad break. They say it's never been done before, but here again, it certainly is the truth. You can also get gifted a sub if you're lucky. Here's the 3-minute ad break now. Inside of the subway station in Japan, where capitalism rules all.